I like that long hair, red bone, pretty ass lesbo. Tell Madison go, she better talk to me that hair wrong. You know, got that pretty girl like Alice Atkins made wrong, but hoes like Haley Thomas, them Lizzo on that bang wrong. No butter on that top that fine this. You know I don't like it, cause you know I'm not a liar, but I know how Anna Smith is, and I know that she's a liar, but I can't go with them ugly girls, cause I get higher. Now tell them how I get it with the two. She know Taina up on this, cause you know how I influence, cause you know how I do this. No butter to into us, and no Alex Atkins, cause you know this how I do it. The hot girl straight to my belt top, they hanging off my nuts like clotheslines. Don't be jealous of my rhymes, cause you're not mine, cause you know I got it all. So fly. Now got the butterfly straight on that timeless. You know how I got it, you know just really like my timeless. Do this for my family like Waka Flocka Flame, just shaking my head, but I got none, but you see I still got fame. So don't be jealous of my time, leave them hanging, you know, like I did it hoop line. But I'm about to go and kick it on that night time, trying to tell the motherfuckers they know I am that fine.